Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. This video is recommended to network administrator, professional pen tester, or someone who is aspiring to be a white hat hacker. You can use your Android device to perform basic to comprehensive scanning and testing to find vulnerabilities and collect information. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so we can continue to send you latest video. Here we present 5 ethical hacking apps for Android. Number 1. Kali Linux Nethunter. The Nethunter is originally designed for Nexus devices, but you can install this project to other Android phones also. The complete feature requires a rooted phone. However, recently there is an update on their website, which shows it can be installed to non-rooted phones also, but the features will be limited. Some important features of Nethunter includes wireless injection and AP mode, USB keyboard attacks, supports bad USB MITM attacks, software-defined radio support, and many more. Basically, it's a full-powered software which will convert your Android phone to ethical hacking machine. Number 2, Xanti. Xanti is another popular Android hacking suite. This software comes with different tools which are used for penetration testing means. Xanti enables security officers to easily evaluate an organization's network, and automatically diagnose vulnerabilities, within mobile devices or websites using a host of penetration tests including, man-in-the-middle, password cracking and Metasploit. Number 3, Csploit. Csploit is a free and open-source Android network analysis and penetration suite, which aims to be the most complete and advanced professional toolkit to perform network security assessments on a mobile device. Csploit supports all type of man-in-the-middle attacks including image, text and video replacement. You can replace your own content on unencrypted web pages. Password sniffing, JavaScript injection. You can add your own JavaScript to unencrypted web pages. DNS spoofing to redirect traffic to different domain, capture PCAP network traffic files. Session hijacking, listen for unencrypted cookies and clone them to take web session. Number 4, Nmap. Nmap is the most popular application for network discovery and security auditing. Nmap works on both rooted and non-rooted phones. On non-rooted phones you will be limited to functions. It was even featured in 12 movies, including The Matrix Reloaded, Die Hard 4, Elysium, and The Bourne Ultimatum. The installation for Android is a little bit complicated, however complete guide is available on their official website. Number 5, Wi-Fi Tester. Do you want to know if your wireless access point is vulnerable to the WPS protocol? Then this is the app that you need. With this app, you can try the connection to an Wi-Fi access point via WPS pin. Pins are calculated with several algorithms throughout MAC address, and there are others pins included in a local database from any access point. This app does not require any kind of special skills, it can be used by anyone and can be installed easily from Play Store. Thank you for watching the complete video. Well, if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and do tell us in comments.